Cosby Show will be right back.
Hey, Bill Cosby, I'm Dad. Could you listen to this joke I made?
I'm going to listen to your joke. Let's hear the joke. Rudy, my kid.
The lion sang to the pudding pop.
Oh, pudding pop.
You know, I don't quite care for whatever it is that we're watching right now.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
eat you.
Why don't you go ahead and change it?
Yeah. Do you have the remote?
What?
Do you have the remote?
Didn't you just have it?
I don't.
Well, clearly you turned the TV on. You had to have had it.
Dad, what did the lion say to the pudding pop?
You turned the TV on.
What? I just sat down with you. It doesn't even make sense.
I'm gonna
Oh, then you must have sat on the remote.
Excuse me?
Just stand up so we can change the channel.
Fuck no! I bet you're sitting on it. You stand up.
How could I be sitting on it if I've been sitting here the whole time?
Because you just roll around while you watch TV.
I get uncomfortable!
Probably because you're sitting on the remote.
No correlation!
Stand up.
You stand up! You're sitting on the remote!
Oh, this is my 18-year-old friend. Name not
Here. How about we both stand up at the same time?
At the same time.
Hey, friend. How
Yes,
are you?
at the same time. On the count of 3.
1, 2,
I'm a bit thirsty.
One.
Can I have some of that?
Oh, god damn it.
You lied!
You lied!
Well, at least I didn't lie about sitting on the remote!
You're a son of a bitch. You know that, Christopher?
You're absolutely right, Dad.
I'll kill you!
Ah!
George Lopez Show. It's the George Lopez Show. Hey, George, it's me, Ernie Cardenas. Do you got this? I got this!